Let's walk through the Suppliers module in VNDLY, where you manage all your vendors, purchasing contacts, and supplier relationships. Click New Supplier to get started. Enter the company name, legal name, and VAT ID. The supplier number is auto-generated when you save. Add contact details, then set your business terms. Minimum order value, lead time in days, payment terms, and assign a purchase price list. Fill in billing and shipping addresses and add your primary and secondary contacts. Having both contacts here means everyone's reachable directly from the supplier card, no digging through your inbox. Hit Save, and VNDLY creates the supplier with a unique number. You're now on the supplier detail page, which will fill in with performance data as you start ordering. Drop files directly onto the Documents section, agreements, specs, certificates, and if you need to update any details, hit Edit to make changes inline without leaving the page. Scroll down to the activity timeline. This is your CRM built right in. Log a call, a meeting, a note, with tags and a due date so nothing falls through the cracks. Set a reminder, 5 minutes, an hour, a day before, and add your call notes. VNDLY stores the full history so any team member can pick up exactly where you left off. The Today panel shows everything due right now across all your suppliers and customers. Snooze a task if you need more time, or jump straight to the supplier. Mark it done when you're finished. The timeline updates immediately with a Done badge, keeping a clean audit trail of every interaction. Need to add multiple suppliers at once? Use Import from the Actions menu? Download the template, fill it in with your data, and VNDLY imports everything in seconds. Contacts, addresses, terms, all of it. Export works just as easily. CSV or Excel, with all fields included: addresses, contacts, price lists, minimum order values. A full backup of your supplier data whenever you need it. And back on the supplier card, the Product Supplied section automatically pulls in every product from the assigned price list. Unit costs, MOQs, lead times, everything in one place. That's suppliers in VNDLY.